It is such a beautiful day today. The sun is shining. I just love it.
Yeah, it's nice, but I wish it was a little colder. I love crisp, cool air.
Of course you do, Jake. Welcome everyone to Real English Talk. I'm Mia.
And I'm Jake. Today, we are talking about a very important topic.
That's right. We're talking about the weather.
Talking about the weather is so common in English. It's the perfect way to start a small talk conversation.
Exactly. So today we will teach you how. Make sure to subscribe and like our show.
And check the description for timestamps. You can jump to any part of the episode.
Okay, let's start with some basic weather words. What's the first one, Jake?
Sunny. S-U-N-N-Y.
Sunny. Yes, it is very sunny in my city today. I live in San Diego, so it's often sunny.
I'm jealous. It's not always sunny here in Chicago. Today, it's actually pretty cloudy.
Cloudy. That means there are lots of clouds in the sky.
Right. And Chicago is very windy. The wind is always blowing here.
Ah, the windy city. I've heard it can be very windy there.
It sure can. My favorite weather is when it is snowy.
Snowy? You love snow.
I love it. I love when it is snowy and very cold outside. It's so beautiful.
Wow, I do not like cold weather. I prefer it when it's warm or even hot.
See, I don't like when it's hot, especially when it's also humid.
Humid. That's when the air feels wet. I love hot and humid weather. It's perfect for the beach.
Not for me. So let's review. We have sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, and snowy.
And for temperature, we have hot, cold, warm, and humid.
Now, let's learn some common phrases. How do we describe the weather right now?
The easiest way is to say it is, or the short form, it's. For example, it is sunny today, or it's a nice day.
It is really cold outside.
Exactly. It is really cold outside. You can add words like really or very.
Makes sense. What's another common phrase?
You can also say the weather is.
The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, I would definitely say that today. The weather is beautiful.
Another useful phrase is it looks like. You use this for a prediction.
A prediction?
Yeah, you can look at the sky and say it looks like rain.
I see. So if the clouds are dark, you can say it looks like rain.
That's right. Or it looks like it's going to snow.
You just want it to snow, don't you?
Always.
Okay, let's talk about the 4 seasons. We have spring, summer, fall, and winter.
Right, and the weather is different in each season.
In the spring, the weather gets warmer. The flowers start to grow.
Then comes summer. In the summer, it gets very hot in most places.
Yes, I love summer. It's my favorite season because the weather is hot and sunny.
Summer is okay. I prefer the fall. Some people also call it autumn.
Right, fall or autumn.
I love fall because the weather is perfect. It's cool, but not too cold. The leaves change color.
Fall is very beautiful, but then comes winter.
My favorite season. In the winter, it gets cold. And in some places, like Chicago, it snows.
I could never live in a place with a cold winter. I need sunshine.
And I need my snowy days. It just shows that everyone likes different weather.
So, let's talk about small talk. Why do we talk about weather so much?
It's a safe and easy topic. You can talk about it with anyone. a coworker, a neighbor, or a stranger.
That's a great point. It's a friendly way to start a conversation.
Exactly. Let's imagine you are at work. You see your boss in the morning.
Good morning. Can you believe this weather?
Perfect. Can you believe this weather is a great phrase. It works for good or bad weather.
Okay, another situation. You're in an elevator with a stranger.
What a beautiful day.
What a beautiful day.
Right. Or if it's raining, you could say, terrible weather, huh?
What if you want to ask someone about the weather? What are some good questions?
The most common question is, what is the weather like today?
What is the weather like today? So if someone asked me, I would say, it's warm and sunny.
Perfect. You can also ask about the future. For example, is it going to rain?
Is it going to rain? That's a useful question for making plans.
Right. And you might hear this question. Did you check the forecast?
Ah, the forecast. That's the prediction for the weather.
Exactly. You can check the weather forecast on your phone or on TV.
Okay, let's put it all together. We are going to do a short role play.
Sounds good. What's the situation?
We are two coworkers meeting at the coffee machine on a Monday morning.
Okay, I'm ready. I'll start.
Go for it.
Hey, Mia. How was your weekend?
It was great, Jake. I went to the beach. What a beautiful day it was on Saturday.
It really was. A bit too warm for me, but it was nice to be outside.
I heard it might rain later this week, though. Did you check the forecast?
I did. The forecast said it might even snow on Wednesday.
Oh, of course you're happy about that. I'm already missing the sun.
Well, enjoy the coffee. Are you ready for that big meeting this afternoon?
As ready as I can be. Let's do it.
And scene. See how we did that?
Yes, we started with the weather, then we easily moved on to another topic, the meeting.
It's the perfect icebreaker.
Well, that is all for today's episode of Real English Talk.
We hope you learned some useful words and phrases. Now you can talk about the weather in English.
Yes, and we have homework for you. Please leave a comment below this episode.
Tell us, what is the weather like in your city today? We would love to read your answers.
And don't forget to subscribe. You can also share the show with a friend who is learning English.
Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.